It's nice out, I agree. It's a good evening to grill a pizza. Little Trader Joe's dough, some shredded cheese, and a combination of sliced garlic, sliced tomatoes, and julienne pepperoni. And I put it in the microwave for about a minute just to get everything started. You can use up these herbs too. Try and keep it in a relatively oblong shape. My method for grilling pizza is to grill the first side, then flip it, grill the underside, and top the first cooked side with all the toppings. So good, just minutes. I also have a lot of herbs to still use up, maybe a little bit of thyme. It's nice and puffed. This is why I love grilled pizza. Just seconds. Totally time to do the flip. Lots of browning, grill marks, a little bit of black, but I like that. Get our sauce all over. Let it rain down. This is some mozzarella, some Parmesan. Lid back on. Just a couple minutes. I think we're on the home stretch. Ooh, rogue tomato. I'm actually going to cut the heat. Add some fresh thyme. Lots of torn basil. Yeah. Oh yeah. Our pizza is not perfectly round, so our slices will not be perfect either, but they will resemble triangles. Oh, that looks really good. Yummo. That underside. I just love this method. Grill your pizza.